How to unsuspend your Twitter or X account. So if your account has been suspended by Twitter because you have done something wrong, and X doesn't want you to be on their platform, so they have suspended your account. So first step, you need to fix the problem. So if you have done something wrong, if you have posted something, just firstly delete those things. If you have posted some photos, videos, or if you have done something, just delete those stuff. That will be the first step. And after you have cleared all those things you have done, then go to your account. From the top right corner, tap here logo, scroll down, you will find this help center, tap here and scroll down. About suspended account, tap here and again scroll down, you'll find this appeal form, tap this appeal form, and now you will find a form here. But in my case, my account is perfectly fine, so I don't get the form. This form is only for someone who has whose account is suspended. The forms look like this, so you will have to type your username, email address. So just type it and then you will have to write your problem. So what you have to write, don't worry, I got you. So what you have to write is just I have written this in my note. Just copy this and paste here. So I will provide this on the description of this video. Go check my description, you will find this note and just copy it and paste on this description of the problem and press the submit button. And after that, if you have cleared all your mistakes you have done on X, and after you have cleared your mistakes, you have cleared your account, then apply for this, and I'm pretty sure after 24 hours they will reach you and your account will be unsuspended. Okay, so yeah, this is what you have to do. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.